Let's talk about tech. Ride modes, it has different ones. Rally mode, street mode and the rain mode. Then, guys, it has a cruise control here. New buttons when you want to relax and just cruise around. You have this cruise control. And it has also a USB-C port to charge your GPS unit or your phone. And it has traction control, cornering ABS. Yeah, lots of tech for this small package of a bike. According to that guy here, that's by the way Dita from KTM, and he's the product manager of the adventure. You said fuel tank, no confirmed information yet, but it has more fuel capacity than the Duke. Yep. This is what we can say for now, so you can have a longer travel than the Duke bike. Okay, let's move forward. And on the rear, something very obvious, the swing arm completely redesigned to fit the new suspension, and it comes in a gravity die-cast technology. And what else? What do we see? As said before, the bike is completely redesigned. Also the rear part, a nice, I would say, enduro style light, and the back side and a compact tail tidy. Looks sick and it fits proper to the R version. The whole bike sits on a completely new frame. On the front, the well-known KTM trellis frame, and on the rear, under the plastic, it's hidden on aluminum subframe. Let's talk about engine. It's the same as on the 390 Duke, 399cc LC4C motor, compact, light, and gives enough power. How much power exactly, I don't know yet, because this is still, I would say, a prototype. It comes out next year, and KTM is still pushing the limits to get as much as possible power out of it. Now we're gonna dive deep and look at the KTM power parts on that bike and some little stuff that we didn't see yet in the video. You can add those cool auxiliary lights, a brake disc guard. This Akrapovic exhaust is also an accessory. So ladies and gents, that's the brand new KTM 390 Adventure R. And Dita, good job. You did an amazing bike, and I think the whole world will love it. And guys, let us know in the comment section below what you would like. I will talk with Dieter, and then we're gonna answer the questions if you have some more technical questions. See you in the next video in few hours. Until then, rock on. Boom! If that would be always so easy.